Well, welcome back to Doggone RV'N, and Happy New Year! I hope you all are not suffering a hangover. I quit drinking long time ago. I've just learned to get more amusement out of watching others get drunk on their butts and make total fools out of themselves. If that's what floats your boat, then good for you. How do you like my new t-shirt? It's got our new logo on it. I had two of these printed out just for samples. And I think next time I have a printing, I'm going to move these a little bit higher up on the chest, so they're not between my chest. Okay, so what have we been doing? Well, Ember's down here. Hi, Ember. Yeah, she's out. She's fast asleep. I tried to wear her out this morning so she'd be calmed down in the house for the morning. I tell you, when this dog wakes up in the morning, it's like bottled nitroglycerin. And if you don't wear out some of that energy, it's like, holy cow, the Tasmanian devil's been loosed in your house. So, yeah, we did that this morning. Got rid of some of that energy so she'd calm down. So what's been going on? Well, we made it through Christmas, and we've made it through New Year's. The weather up here sucks. However, it's warmer and not as bad as it was this time last year. This time last year, we had many atmospheric rivers, one after another, coming in, flooding everything. It was bitter cold. And this year, it's above norm temperature, and even the rain's warmer. However, we're not having as many multiple atmospheric rivers, but what we're having are worse, like bomb cyclones that just wipe out the area like a tornado went through. So we're having nicer weather and fewer storms, but the storms are more intense. So it's a toss-up. So I'm looking at my planning book here. I'd like to see Ember and I get out of here sometime this month, certainly February and on, going on short little road trips or camp trips in the national parks here or national forests, because I got to get her used more to living in the RV, and I got to get used to having such an energetic puppy for a while in the RV. It's not like when I had Katie and Sarah, already trained, and they were much older when I got my RV and fixed it up to go camping. This is like grassroots stuff that I didn't go through with them. But anyway, we have a tentative plan that I'm waiting to finalize for a spring trip in about north central Montana for a week, and depending on the weather and road conditions at that time of the late spring, we may go elsewhere. So we also want to go eventually down the Oregon coast to some Oregon state parks. Now up in Washington, we have what they call a Discovery Pass, which lets you get into a lot of places free for camping. Oregon has something similar, but not as generous. They'll let you in without having to pay their out-of-state fees for using their state parks for day use. It doesn't pay for camping or anything else, but at least you know you're not going to get ticketed as an outsider, an out-of-stater, by parking in their parks just to go use the restroom or something. So that's good for a year, like our Discovery Pass is, but it's only for like 20, 30 campgrounds on the Oregon coast. So I'm getting ready to order that, and I'll have that for a whole year to use in our travels. Let's see. Other than that, I emptied out the RV because I don't like leaving stuff out there during the winter when it's so damp and musty. But I'll be repacking that here soon so we can take off maybe later this month for a couple day trip someplace. Oh, she's down here just stretched out, totally relaxed. yeah, I am working, since we're not traveling right now, I am working on creating new videos that I can do while we're here. And I'll have one video coming out that explains how you, my viewers, can go to my YouTube website, which is brand new, and request a set of logo sticker and our new membership card with our logo on it. You can request 2 sets per order, and they'll be sent out to you in a little envelope. This is just a way I have of getting my channel's recognition out to the masses. And I don't know if you've ordered stickers and stuff like that from all the other YouTubers that are out there, but mine, I can tell you, are quality. You know, I was raised in a generation where you don't produce crap just to make a buck. I've got more pride in myself and what I want to present myself as. So both the card and the logo are of high quality, and you can take that to the bank. So besides writing new scripts, making new videos, I also am learning a new Adobe program, which has helped me make some much more eye-catching thumbnails to let you guys know what this video I have made is all about, and hopefully catch your attention enough that you'll look at it. And I have different openings for different subject matter, and I'm trying to not mix it up a lot, but make it more interesting on my channel as to what you can learn and experience. So let's see. Anything else? I keep looking down here at Ember. She sleeps like a rock. I don't know if this is going to happen, but it's a thought in the back of my head that I sort of miss not having 2 dogs. And I don't want to get a second puppy, because having Ember as a puppy 24/7 is told me that if I get a second dog, it's going to be older to start with. And I would like to get another border collie. And I'm looking into the ramifications of that. I've looked into possible border collie rescue groups up here in the Seattle area. But if I do get another border collie, it'll be older than whatever Ember is at that time, and she'll be the big sister. But I think having 2 dogs going forward in my retirement might be a little safer than traveling with 1 dog. It's just a reflection on the times we live in, you know. Okay, so yeah, I've got my logo sticker and my membership card free to give out. There'll be a video explaining that. I would like you people out there to give me some feedback. Now, some of my videos are just, sorry to say, you got to read them. You know, I'm not going to be telling you everything. We all went to school, and hopefully we all learned how to read English. So, yeah. This is where you need to give me feedback as to, do I have to tell you everything, or can I do these videos that are basically maybe music and snapshots, or music and information bubbles, you know, like, I guess I think more of my viewers than maybe other people out there that make videos that feel they have to explain everything to you. because apparently you are not as smart as the person making the video. Well, I think that's bullshit. I think people out there are smarter than you give them credit for. Yeah, they might make bad mistakes or bad choices, but, you know, that's how you learn. Okay, so, like I said, I make these videos. I'm transparent. I'm open. This is real life, people. This is reality. This is how life goes. You know, it's not everything beautiful that some of these people on the internet show you. You know, they only show you the highlights. They don't show you their tantrums or whatever bad happens in their life, along with only the good. That's not reality. I'm a realist. And if you can't face reality and live in it, then you got more problems than you know. Okay, so Ember's still down here zonked out. So yeah, I'm asking for more feedback. If you take the time to watch my videos, no matter how much or how long, your lives are not that bad, that terrible, to not take 5 minutes to type in some feedback. Say, hey, I like that video. Tell me about this, or I don't think I've ever been there, or you should have done this. I think that would have been better. You know, I guess I'm trying to bring back some humanity into this over-computerized world that we all live in today. It's like computers may have brought us together, but they've also separated us. Okay. Anyway, that's it. I want to thank you all out there, those that have stayed with us, those that have recently found us. I hope you guys will hang in there. Okay, this is a lull in our life right now, and I'm making plans to get out of here and do some more exploring. And as we progress closer to spring, the weather all around improves, and I build up my finances eating cheese sandwiches and tomato soup, or whatever I need to make ends meet, and that includes fasting. Yeah, stay tuned, okay? And Ember and I will see you guys later. Take care.